Taikyokku Shodan! What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sensei Jason Leung. In today's video, we are going to be learning Kata Taikyokku Shodan. I'm going to be taking you guys through this kata step by step, so pay very close attention. First, you want to start off by giving respect. So the way to do that, we're going to put our heels together, toes pointed out at a 45-degree angle, hands at our sides, stand straight, about the waist, os. Okay, give respect. Then we're gonna get into yoi position. So from here, we're gonna cross our arms, elbow to elbow. So from yoi position, elbow, as I do so, my left leg steps out, then my right leg, I'm crossing, become big and tall, okay? In Kata Taikyokku Shodan, there are two moves you have to worry about with your hands, which are your downward block, okay, gedan barai, and oizuki, lunge punch. Okay, those are the only two arm movements you're going to be worrying about in this kata. And the other important aspect of this kata is zenkutsu dachi, aka your front stance. Every single move will be performed in a front stance. And essentially what it is shifting your weight to the front. Okay, both toes in the direction you're going. Okay, so starting off in yoi position, you're going to announce your kata, Taikyokku Shodan. Okay, the first move is to your left side. It will be a downward block. So to do that, I'm going to take my left hand, put it on top of my shoulder. At the same time, I'm turning to my left side. Okay, whenever you do a downward block, your other hand goes to your center line to protect your groin stomach area. Okay, so from here, I'm going to look, wind up, and step down into downward block. Okay, like so. First four moves, downward block, step forward, punch. Okay, from here, we are going to downward block to the other side and then step forward with another punch. So to reiterate, four moves. Downward block, punch, downward block, punch. So I'm in yoi position. Okay, I do downward block. Okay, I'm gonna step forward in my front stance, punching right here. Okay, to get to the other side, I'm gonna put my punching hand on top of my shoulder. Other hand shoots out, okay, like so, to protect my center line. In this kata, I'm always gonna spin towards my bent elbow, wherever you are in the kata. Okay, I'm gonna spin towards my bent elbow, move my front foot to other side, okay, into a front stance. From here, last move of the first four is punch, like so, okay? So after the first four moves, you actually do that sequence 3 times in the kata. That is 12 moves out of the total 20, okay? So let's do the first 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after the first 4, okay, we're gonna go towards the middle, the center. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my punching hand, put it on top of my shoulder. Again, other hand shoots out to protect my groin area. Turning towards my bent elbow. This time I'm gonna move my front leg to the center. All right? So from here again, punching hand on top of my shoulder, other hand shoots out to protect my groin area, keeping nice posture, weight to the front. Taking my front leg, looking to the middle, downward block. Okay, you're blocking a kick. Use your imagination. Now when you're in the middle, you're gonna do 3 punches, oizuki. And on number 3, you're gonna let out a huge kiai. Okay, 1, 2, 3, So from here, guys, this is the kiai punch, all right? At this point, you're basically going to be restarting the whole kata. Now to do this, you have to complete the big spin. This is where most people make mistakes or errors, so pay close attention. To do the big spin, I'm gonna take the hand that is on my hip, put it on my shoulder. I'm gonna spin towards my bent elbow, this time, like always, but I'm gonna be moving my back leg, okay, into a downward block. Now from this downward block position, it's like the first 4 moves of the kata. Okay, downward block, punch, downward block, punch. Okay, so from here, we did our downward block. We're gonna do punch, downward block, then punch. Again, after the first 4, we're gonna go towards the middle, but we wanna get back to where we started. So instead of stepping back to this middle, we're gonna go back the way we came. So from this punching position, not the hand on my hip winds up, that's only on the kiai punch. I'm gonna take my punching hand, put it on top of my shoulder. I'm gonna spin, or turn rather, towards my bent elbow with my front leg. Step towards the middle in a front stance. And from here, when you're down the middle, we do 3 punches. And on number 3, what do? We kiai. And kiai is showing your spirit and solidifying your power, okay? It's the finishing blow. So we're at downward block. 3 punches down the middle. 1, 2, 3. All right, so almost there. 4 more moves. To complete the kata, we're gonna take the hand that's on our hip, not our punching hand that's on our hip, put it on our shoulder, spinning towards our bent elbow always, and you're gonna spin all the way around. So you can do left hand downward block, like so. And one more time. I'm here. We're moving our back leg. Okay, you want to imagine you're atop and you're spinning. Okay, from our kiai punch, we wind up with the hand that's on our hip. Spin towards our bent elbow, back leg move. Okay, just like the start of the kata. We did downward block. We're gonna punch, downward block, last move punch. So we're here. Imagine you're going through a downward block. And yame. To come up, okay, to finish the kata, our front foot steps back. At the same time, we cross our elbows. Okay, we're here, slow, knees still bent, come up gracefully, feet together, and bow. Os. All right, so now that you guys have a better understanding, we're gonna run through the whole kata, and I'm gonna be counting it out for you guys step by step, okay? So we're gonna start in yoi position. Okay, nice and tall, everything in the center, settle your breath, announce your kata. Taikyokku Shodan! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.